Hey YouTubers, tube-viewers, people who love hot tubs, people who stick tubes up there. Yeah, well, whatever. This is just my second test on the webcam and on YouTube, because I have been using YouTube just for getting entertained and watching, people get hurt and drunk people falling over doorsteps and all that, boredom. So now when I had a webcam, I should try it out. And as I'm trying it out, I'm getting deeper and deeper into the whole people who broadcast to get as many viewers as possible to become a partner. People even explaining how to do so. Thank you very much, especially you, Kevin Kraft. This is also part of my test. I am gonna try to post some links in these small boxes that you can place all over the site, telling push this button and you get directly. Yeah, you of course know what it's about. It's new to me, okay? So this is all new, and I'm gonna try to make people go to Kraft Nation, where Kevin Kraft is the master of disaster, or something like that. He's a cool guy, and I think you all should get to know him better. The kind of stand-up guy who speaks his mind and just, kind of a laid-back guy. Oh, warning! He's black. Yes, I know, there I said it. You are all warned. Kevin Kraft is black. But as I said, this is just a second test of my few videos. I don't got much. I don't know if I'm gonna. I'm not looking for becoming famous and becoming a partner and wanting as many people as possible to see my videos. But I must admit, the reason I created this account was to post my stage fighting videos, to just to show my test fights, and well, I just thought, well, maybe I could use the channel for a little bit more, so that's why I'm here. But I'm not gonna become the new Fred or something like that. So well, just okay, how many times can I explain people that this is a test? I'm sorry, I'm babbling. This is mostly for myself, and if you're watching it, sorry that you got bored, but I'm gonna try the box thing now.